Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to remove the back seat of a Porsche Panamera. First, gather your tools. You will need a flathead screwdriver and possibly a trim removal tool. Always ensure your vehicle is parked safely with the ignition off and the parking brake engaged for safety. Before you start, clear the rear footwell area of any items that might get in the way. This preparation will make the entire process much smoother and more efficient for you. Now, let's tackle the seat cushion. You will find two locking lugs located at the front edge of the seat base. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully press these lugs to release them. Once released, gently lift the entire seat base. You might find one or two electrical connectors underneath, so disconnect those carefully. With the connectors free, you can now remove the seat cushion from the vehicle and place it somewhere safe to avoid any damage. Next, we move to the seat backrests. Begin by folding down both rear seat backrests. This will give you much better access to their fastening points. You will need to locate and unscrew the outer hinge pins on each seat back. A sturdy, straight screwdriver is usually effective here. Once those are loose, gently pull the seat backrests away from their center hinge locations. Then, carefully lift and remove each seat backrest from the vehicle, taking care not to scratch any interior surfaces. To conclude, remember to store all your removed components in a secure place to prevent any damage. When you are ready to reinstall, the process is simply the reverse of removal. Make sure all electrical connections are securely reattached before you clip the seat base back into place. Finally, double-check that all locking lugs and bolts are properly fastened. This ensures the seat is secure and safe for passengers, completing your project successfully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.